Israel's political landscape faces unprecedented turmoil. National Unity Chairman Benny Gantz has announced his party's withdrawal from Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's war government, citing a lack of progress in achieving true victory against Hamas. This development has left many wondering, will the Netanyahu government fall any moment? Gantz, one of three voting members of Netanyahu's war cabinet, has accused the Prime Minister of prioritizing narrow political considerations over decisive action. His departure, along with other key figures, signals a significant fracture within the coalition. Gantz joined the government after the devastating October 7 Hamas attacks, driven by a sense of unity and urgency. However, he now contends that Netanyahu's approach has hindered strategic decisions vital for Israel's security. Netanyahu's talk of unity hides a reality where strategic decisions are met with hesitation due to narrow political considerations. We are leaving the emergency government today with a heavy heart but wholeheartedly. Despite Netanyahu's appeals for unity, Gantz and the National Security Party have submitted their resignation letters. Former IDF Chief of Staff Gadi Eisenkot and Knesset member Chili Trapper also resigned, criticizing the war cabinet's inability to make crucial decisions. This exodus underscores a growing discontent within the government as Gantz calls for new national elections to restore peace and public trust and effectively address Israel's challenges. Netanyahu's coalition still holds a majority in the Knesset, but the departure of national unity could embolden far-right elements like Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich and National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir. These figures oppose any ceasefire with Hamas, complicating efforts to balance military objectives with humanitarian concerns. Netanyahu insists the government must stay the course until all war aims are achieved, including the release of hostages and the elimination of Hamas. Israel is in an existential war on multiple fronts. Benny, this is not the time to abandon the campaign. This is the time to join forces. Public opinion polls indicate a growing preference for Gantz's leadership over Netanyahu's. Gantz's party, National Unity, is projected to become the largest in the Knesset if elections were held right now. This political momentum challenges Netanyahu's authority as he navigates an increasingly divided coalition and a public demanding effective leadership.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.